Hello, and thank you for joining me today for a demonstration of Workspace Editor. Let's get started. I have the application up and running. It runs standalone, so you don't have to have MicroStation running, which is kind of nice. I'm going to load up a workspace by clicking on the Load Workspace button in the top left corner. And here you see that I have 4 options. I can create a brand new workspace. I can edit, copy, or delete an existing workspace. So for today, I'm going to use the copy option, and I'm going to call my new workspace CAD Manage. And then I'm going to use the edit option to take a look at how the workspace is set up. So you'll see I have 3 tabs, General, which would let me look at the startup string, shows me the name, and the location. The environment variables will let me set up system environment variables because some of your clients might have some system variables that they use. And then we have descriptions and notes. Going back to the General tab, I'm now going to take a look at my startup string. And you'll see the switches along the left side. Those correspond to the switches that you would normally use in command line. So if you are already using those, you can use them here. And now let's load the workspace and take a look at what we have. So we'll start on the left side of the dialog box. We have a file tree. So here you can expand and collapse the different portions of the configuration files. So they're divided into the different categories. So you have system, application, site, user, and project. Now you can also double click on a file name and it will open up. Now it will open using whatever application you have associated with the CFG files. For me, I use Notepad++. I like it because it gives me the line numbers along the side here, and that will be significant in a moment. If you want to learn more about Notepad++, you can Google it. Now let's take a look at the search string. I want to find all of the cells or all of the variables that have the word cell in it. So I'm going to type in asterisk cell, and now I'm only looking at the variables that actually have the word cell in it. Let me click on MS cell, and then down at the bottom I get more information about that variable. So I can see the value. I can click on the expansion and see the actual file path, file names if that's appropriate. But my favorite part is the history log. And that's because history log tells me what file, but it also tells me what line number to find that variable on. So let's take a look at MS-DIRS. I'll double click on that file and open it. And if I go down to line 30, I'm going to see MS cell is defined there. This comes in really handy if you're debugging a workspace. So if you've ever had to debug a workspace, you know how time-consuming that can be. I'm going to open a workspace that I know has an error in it. So I'm going to use that workspace pull down in the top left corner. I'm going to load up FDOT, and you're going to see right away that there is an error. So it's telling me the error is on line 30, and it's in the file called mstrans. So, and then there's the variable that actually has the error. So let me find mstrans. I'll open that. And go down to line 30, and there's my error. I'm just going to comment that out. Save the file, close it up, and I'm going to reload it using the reload workspace, and it reloads. I have no errors, and I'm good to go. So that concludes the demo for Workspace Editor. Thank you for watching. If you would like more information about CAD Manage and our products, you can email us at info@cadmanage.com, or you can call us at area code 207-221-2911. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous day.